Bukhara State Medical Institute, proudly known as BSMI, stands as a distinguished public medical college in Bukhara, Uzbekistan. Since its founding on August 24, 1990, in honor of the esteemed scholar Abu Ali ibn Sino, we have upheld a legacy of excellence and innovation in medical education.
Under the visionary leadership of our esteemed rector, Shukrat Jumayevich Teshev, BSMI is dedicated to empowering future healthcare professionals through a rigorous commitment to quality education and mentorship.
On this special day, the gratitude we feel towards our teachers cannot be put into words. But here's one of our fellow students from Bukhara State Medical Institute sharing a heartfelt message for our
IMC Educational Consultancy, located at 306, 3rd floor Living Style Mall, Jasala Sarita Vihar, New Delhi 110